We have successfully transferred this information over to Microsoft Excel. I'm just going to go ahead and convert and edit, just like you guys know. Of course, I'm going to put it into Dropbox. I'll put it into the folder that I actually removed this from. So it's initial velocity and then conservation of energy. So you'll see that I have some there already. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Now, remember, I'm going to go ahead and pop these open so you can see them. See how we have time, X position, Y position, X velocity, Y velocity. If we go back to this, remember what we were looking for. We are looking for the position in the Y direction. So if you look here, we're looking for this position in the Y direction. And that's just this length right here. It's just this length, all right? So let's go ahead and go back in here. So that means we don't need time. I can just literally go ahead and hide that. We don't need X. We don't care how it's moving to the left or to the right. I'm going to go ahead and hide that. We do need Y. We don't need the velocity. We could use it, but I don't want to do it that way. It's not being guided by the theory. So I'm going to hide that, and then I want to hide that one as well. So we're going to do the same kind of processing that we've been doing as far as finding the displacement. Okay. So let's go ahead and insert above, and let's just do that all the way down since we know that that's what we want to do. And this way we can check our numbers at the same time. That we have a number very close to 0, and then we have a number that's pretty far. And we remember from graphical what our measurement should be. It should be around 0.46. 0.46 meters. All right, so now I'm just going to go in here and say equal to this minus this. And then I'm just going to return. And of course, I want to give that some distinguishable color. I've been using yellow, so I'll just copy that. And then just go down and paste. I'm sure that Excel has a way to paste this. Ooh, let me do that again. Keep source formatting, okay. So I'll just go ahead and go here and say copy, and let me see if I can paste. Let's paste. You just go through and just paste it. It's very fast once you know what you're doing. The paste value wasn't there anymore. I guess if I wanted to replicate that, I could just say, oh, that came up. So now I want to paste it again. But, let me see. Oh, it will paste. But look, it's only pasting the number. We actually need a formula here. So, it's doing the same thing. Let me go back. Copy, paste, paste. So of course, what we want to do now is we want to find the average of these, so as to remove any kind of, well, remove at least a little bit of the error. So since we're looking for the Y final, let's just say the average Y final. Wrap, center, middle. I can do the same thing on this one. I can just center, middle, that one. And this is going to be, I'll just double tap and say equal to average. I'm going to tap here, slide up, comma. I'm just going to go through and select these numbers, comma, select, comma. And then this is our last one, last comma. And I'm just going to hit return. So we have our average there. I'm going to make that red for, I'm just going to stop it there and make this a little bit bigger. Hopefully you guys could see that. I'm hoping that you could. That was that. And so in the next video, we're going to go ahead and go about processing this information in our conservation of energy video.